Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to enable themed icons on Android home screen. Now, enabling themed icons on your Android home screen allows your app icons to take on the colors of your wallpaper, creating a more cohesive and personalized look. Now, this feature was introduced with Android 12 and is part of the Material You Design language. So the exact steps to enable themed icons can vary slightly depending on your Android version and the device manufacturer, like maybe Samsung or Pixel. So here I'm going to give you a general guide. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to access your wallpaper and style settings by pressing down on an empty space on your screen. So once you tap on an empty space on your home screen, a menu option should appear at the bottom. So once you see them, you can see options like wallpaper and styles. Now, if you look at wallpaper and styles, that's what I have here, down here. But some versions we have styles and wallpapers. Some we have a similar option. Some I just have just wallpaper, display, personalization, or just settings. So once you found this or similar wording of wallpaper and styles, you tap on it. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna check for stuff like themed icons, or for some phones you see apply color palettes to icons, which is exactly what I have. This is the color palette I have. So this is what I have. Why for some, like I said, you see things like themed icons. So you click on it, and the next thing you're going to do, and also on some devices, particularly those with Android 14 or later, you might need to tap on the home screen tab within the wallpaper and style settings to find the themed icons. So you might see that on yours. So in case you see home screen tab on, after opening your wallpaper and styles, you might see home theme tabs. Well, you see that, tap on it and you see themed icons toggle. So for mine, it is color palette. Then you tap on apply. It's as simple as that. Now note that if you're using a color palette, you need to apply default theme to your phone first. And some apps may close when you change themes, and any unsaved data may be lost. So once you toggle the switch next to your themed icons to the on position, or in my case, I just simply tap on apply. So on, like I said, some interfaces you might need to tap on apply. In my case, it's apply. Some you see save button after toggling the settings. And once you've done that, you just simply return to the home screen. So once you go to back to the screen, you see your themed icons in action. It's as simple as that. Now note that Android version also, like I said, is primarily for Android 12 and later. So ensure your device is updated to a compatible version before you try this. Now, not all apps support themed icons. While many Google apps and popular third-party apps do, some app icons may not change and retain their original appearance. Then device manufacturers can customize the Android interface, so the exact word and location of the themed icon settings may differ slightly. Now, when it comes to color palette, the color of the themed icons is based on your current wallpaper. So you can try changing your wallpaper or adjusting the color palette option with the wallpaper and style settings to see different themed icon colors. Now, if you're using a third-party launcher like Novo Launcher, Action Launcher, the steps to enable themed icons may be different, or the feature may be handled within the launcher's own settings. Now, if you follow these steps and you still can't find the option, or if the themed icon doesn't appear as expected, check your device-specific settings or user manual, or search online for instructions specific to your phone model and Android version. Hope you found this video helpful.